In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a routines folder in Todoist. This quick and easy process will help keep your daily, weekly, or even monthly tasks organized, ensuring you never miss a beat in your productive routine. Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account. Once you've done that, your journey begins on the left side of the screen. There, you'll notice a plus button, which is your cue to start setting things up. Clicking on this plus button allows you to add a brand new project to your Todoist workspace. You'll want to name this project Routines, as it will serve as the central hub for all those regular tasks you're keen to track. Choosing a straightforward name like Routines makes it easy to recognize and access whenever you need it. Next, we'll move on to adding the tasks that populate your Routines project. Within your newly created Routines project, look for another plus button, which is your ticket to adding tasks to this folder. Consider including tasks such as morning meditation, exercise, or perhaps even your weekly grocery shopping. Assigning a clear and descriptive name to each task ensures that whenever you glance at your list, you'll know immediately what needs to be done. Now, with your tasks lined up, it's time to set recurrence for each one. Focus on the date field associated with any task and give it a click. You'll discover options to set the task as a daily, weekly, or monthly activity. One of the great advantages of Todoist is its flexibility, offering the chance to further customize this schedule. You can specify exact days of the week or month to suit your needs perfectly. This feature is especially handy for tasks like grocery shopping on Saturdays or committing to exercise every weekday. And there you have it. Your Routines folder is now set up in Todoist. With this structure in place, you'll gain a clear overview of your regular tasks, aiding you in managing your time more efficiently and ensuring you stay on top of your commitments. By organizing your tasks this way, you free up mental space to focus on what really matters to you while reducing the chances of overlooking any aspect of your routine. Happy organizing!